So good morning, students. So in the last class, we have seen how to convert this AND or invert logic to NAND logic and NOR logic. Okay. So as per your request, you asked some more examples on this and NAND logic and NOR logic. So I want to explain some more examples on this converting this AOA logic into NAND logic and NOR logic. Okay. So this is one problem. You have to convert the following AOI logic. Okay, AOI is nothing but AND or invert logic and or invert logic to NAND logic, and NOR logic. Okay, NOR logic. Okay, so before that, you need. Before that, I want to show the process. Okay, so in the last class we have seen uh, this one. Here, so there is a procedure to convert this AND or invert to NOR NAND invert. Okay, so first of all, what you should do, you should draw the conversion from AND or invert to NAND or NOR. So first you have to draw the AND or logic. Okay, AND or invert logic. So if NAND gate is chosen, what you should do, you should add the bubbles at the output of AND gate, and you have to add the bubbles at the input of all OR gates. Okay, so I'm sharing this one second. Uh, so here, if you see, this is a procedure. Uh, so you have to draw the AND or logic. So if it is a NAND logic, NAND hardware, so what you should do? So you have to add bubbles on the output of the AND gate, and you have to add the bubbles on the input side of the OR gate. So if NAND gate is chosen, okay. If NOR gate is chosen, what you should do? You should add the bubbles on the output of OR gate, and you have to add bubbles on the input side of AND gate. Okay. So this is when you choose NOR logic. Okay. Next, what you should do? You should add or subtract. Okay. So in step 2 and step 3, wherever you are receiving the bubble, okay, you have to add an inverter on each line. Okay. So after adding the inverter, replace the bubbled OR by NAND, and replace the bubbled AND by NOR. Okay. And wherever you got the double inversion, you can eliminate the double inversion. Okay. So this is the procedure you need to remember. Okay. So I'm doing this example. So you should convert whatever the AND or
Sir,
invert, AND or invert.
sir, your screen is not visible.
Tell me.
Now it's okay, sir.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So this whiteboard. Can you see this whiteboard? Microsoft whiteboard. Can you visit?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this diagram. This is the AND or invert. So this is the AND gate. This is the OR gate, and it is given to an AND gate. Okay. This is A and this is B, and this is C and this is D. Okay. Again, one more input is coming through A. Okay. So this is an inverter. Okay. And these outputs are given to an OR gate. Okay. So this is nothing but AND or invert. So this is nothing but AND or invert. So this AND or invert you need to convert first to NAND logic. Okay. All the gates should be in NAND gates. Okay. So what is the procedure? So if it is a AND gate, you need to add the bubble at the output side of AND gate, and if it is a OR gate, you need to add the bubble at the input side of OR gate. Okay, so here what I am doing, so first is AND gate, so you should add bubble at the output side, and this is the OR gate, you need to add the bubble at the input side. Okay, so again it is given to the AND gate. Okay, you need to add the bubble at the output side. Okay, so you need to add the bubble at the output side. Again it is given to the to the inverter. Next, so here this is OR gate, so you need to add the bubble at the input side. Okay, set the bubble at the input side. Okay, so uh, so here next, what you should do, wherever the single bubble you added, you need to add the inverter. Okay, so here, so here you placed a bubble. Okay, so here you need to add an inverter. Again, so input side of OR gate you added two bubbles, so you need to add two inverters. Okay, so this is passing through a bubbled OR gate. Okay, again it is given to NAND gate. Okay, so it is given to NAND gate. Again you got the bubble at the output side of AND gate, you need to add an inverter. Okay, again one more inverter is there. Okay, and next, mm, so one more inverter, and here also one more inverter. Why? Because you added bubble here, so that's why you have to add one more inverter. Again here also you need to add one more inverter. It is given through the bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, so now what we should do? What is the next method? Uh, so bubbled OR, you need to convert it into NAND. Okay, bubbled OR, you need to convert it into NAND. Here two inverters are came. Okay, so that means a double inversion. So you can eliminate. Okay, eliminate double inversion. Double inversion. Okay, you have to eliminate double inversion. Now, so you can replace this one. So that means this is the NAND gate. Okay, A and B. Okay, so here, so this inverter converted into NAND gate. Okay, this is C, and this inverter converting into NAND gate. Okay, D. Okay, two inputs tied together, that becomes the inverter. Okay, and next, so these outputs of the inverter is given to the bubbled OR gate converted into NAND gate. Okay, so this inverter converted into NAND gate. Again, this is given to NAND gate. Okay, so this inverter converting into NAND gate. Okay, so this input you are getting. So this is a NAND gate. NAND gate. Again, convert whatever the bubbled OR gate convert into NAND. Okay, so this is the function. So this is all the gates are of NAND gate. Okay, non-logic. NAND. These are in NAND logic. Okay. So this is the process to convert the given Sorry, due to loss of connection. Okay. Do you understood this? How we can convert this NAND logic to NOR logic?
Yes, sure.
To anyone? Okay.
Understood,
So
sir.
the same thing. Yeah, you need to convert this given expression into NOR logic. Okay. NOR logic. So what is my AOA logic? So this is AOA logic. So you have to convert the given AOA logic into NOR logic. Okay. So this is the inverter and this is the OR gate. Okay. So when you want to convert the given logic into NOR logic, so what you should do, wherever you have the OR gate, so you have to add the bubble at the output side of OR gate. Wherever you have the AND gate, you have to add the bubble at the input side of AND gate. Okay. So here what I am doing, so NOR logic. So NOR logic, if you see, so first gate is AND gate. You have to add bubble at the input side. Okay. And second gate is OR gate. You have to add the bubble at the output side. Again, next AND gate. You have to add the bubble at the input side. Okay. So this is an inverter. Again, it is coming. Yeah. So A input is coming. A, B, C, D, and it is coming to the OR gate. So for the OR gate, you have to add the bubble at the output side. Okay. So this is the function Y. Same. Okay. So what is the next part? Wherever you receive the bubble, so you have to add the inverter. Okay. So wherever you added the bubble, you have to add the inverter. Okay. So here I am adding input side. Here I am adding inverter. So that means A, B, A, B. So this is bubbled AND gate, and this is the NOR gate. Okay. So that means if you observe, there are two bubbles. Okay. So that means wherever you receive one bubble, you need to add one inverter. Okay. So here if you observe, there are two bubbles. No need to add the inverter. Okay. So there are two bubbles are there. So here only one bubble is there. You need to add one inverter over here. Okay. So again, this is given to bubbled and this is given to inverter. Okay. So A input is coming. Input is coming, and it is given to an inverter. Okay. Here again you have to add. You have to remember that means wherever you are receiving one bubble, you have to add the inverter before and after. So wherever you are receiving two bubbles means no need to add the inverter. Okay. So this is C and this is D. Okay. Next, what you should do? Convert the inverter with NAND gate and bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. Okay. So if you see, so this is NOR gate. This is NOR gate A, and this is also NOR gate. This is also NOR gate. Convert bubbled AND with NOR gate. Okay. Here you have the NOR gate. You have the NOR gate. A, B, C, D are the inputs. Convert this inverter with the NOR gate and convert this bubbled AND gate with the NOR gate. Okay. And next convert this inverter with NOR gate. So here A input is coming. So these are given to NOR gate. Okay. Again, whatever the inverter is there, convert it into NOR gate. Okay. All the gates are nothing but NOR gate. So like this, you need to convert following AOA logic into NOR logic. Okay. Is it okay? Any doubts in this, students?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next one. So this logic is there. Convert AOA circuit into NAND logic and NOR logic. So this is nothing but basically it's a XOR gate. Okay, XOR operation. So what is A XOR B? A XOR B is nothing but A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so A bar B plus AB bar. Any doubt in this?
Sir, once scroll down, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So A XOR B is nothing but A bar B plus AB bar. So this is a XOR gate. This is the XOR gate AB. So Y equal to A XOR B. It is equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So how you can realize this by using AND or invert, AOI, AND or invert logic. Okay. This is AND gate. So it is coming A bar and here B. Okay. So here what you are getting? This is A bar B. Okay. And next one more AND gate is there. Okay, and or invert. So B is coming through the inverter. This is B and this is B bar and this is nothing but A. What is this? What is this? AB bar. Okay. So again, these outputs of the AND gates are connected to the OR gate. Okay. So this is nothing but A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. So this is nothing but AND or invert. You need to convert this AND or invert into NAND logic and NOR logic. Okay. So first NAND logic. NAND logic, what you should do, wherever you see the AND gate, you have to add the bubble at the output side. Wherever you see the OR gate, you have to add the bubble at the input side. Okay. So this is AND gate. We are adding bubble at the output side. Okay. So this is inverter. So this is sorry, this one is A. Okay. This one is A and this one is A bar. A, B. The here also you have an AND gate. Okay. So this is coming through the inverter and this is B and this is A. Okay. And you have a OR gate. In OR gate, what you should do? You should add the bubble at the input side. Okay. So you should add the bubble at the input side. Okay. So this is the first step. Next, what you should do? So here, so wherever you added the bubble, okay, one bubble, you need to add the inverter. But if you observe this one, you have two bubbles. No need to add the inverter. Also, you have the two bubbles. No need to add the inverter. Okay. So, so what you should do? Convert a bubbled OR with the NAND. Okay. Bubbled AND with bubbled OR with the NAND, and inverter also with the NAND. Put two inputs tied together. Okay. So this is A and this is B. Again, and NAND. So this one is NAND and this one is B and this one is A. Okay. So convert this bubbled OR with the NAND. Okay. All the gates are NAND gates. So this is how you need to realize that by using the NAND realization. Okay. Same thing. If it is a NOR gate, NOR realization, NOR logic. So what you should do? You have to convert wherever you have the AND gate, you need to convert into, you have to add the bubble at the input side. Wherever you see the OR gate, you have to add the bubble at the output side. Okay, so same thing I am doing. Mm. So this is A bar. You have to add the bubble at the input side. Okay, so this is B, and here this is one AND gate. You have to add the bubble at the input side, and one input is coming through the inverter. This is B, and one input is directly you are getting. Okay, so this is output, and wherever you see the OR gate, you have to add the bubble at the output side. Okay, so next what you should do? So wherever you added the bubble, okay, so what you should do? You should add the inverter. Okay, so so here you added the bubble, one bubble. Here you added the one bubble, and here also you added one bubble. So you should add the inverter. Okay, so should add the bubble A, B. Here also you have to add the bubble. Okay, here also you have to add the bubble. Okay, so this is the uh, bubbled AND gate. Okay, so it is given to the NOR gate. Okay, here you also you added the bubble. You need to add the inverter. Okay, so wherever you added the bubble, you need to add the inverter. Now, next to what is the next step? So this is A bar, and this is the uh, so what is this one? This one is A, and this one is B. Okay, so these are two inverters. You can eliminate double inversion. So these are also two inverters. You can eliminate double inversion, and convert the bubbled NAND gate with the NOR gate. Okay, so bubbled NAND gate with NOR gate, and convert the inverter with the inverted NOR gate. Okay, so here what you will get? So this is A. You are converting bubbled NAND gate with the NOR gate. Bubbled NAND gate with NOR gate. Okay, so here this inverter is there. I'm converting this inverter with the NAND gate. Okay, this is B. Again, next here inverter is there. You are converting this inverter. Okay, so this is A. Okay, so convert this bubble. So eliminate this double inversion. So this is B. So this is convert this bubbled AND gate with NOR gate. Again, is given to NOR gate. Okay, again convert this one inverter with NOR gate. Okay, so Y equal to what? A bar B plus. So if you realize this, you will get A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so like this you have to realize this given function with either NAND logic or NOR logic. Okay, any doubts in this? Students?
No, sir.
Okay, so here next one, you have to realize this XOR function by using 3 gates. Okay, so next problem, this is one of the important problem you can expect in the final exam. Realize XOR function using first one is AOI logic, AND or invert logic, and the B bit is NAND logic, and the C bit is NOR logic. Okay, so so this function you need to realize. Okay, so if you see, so what is XOR gate? So this is the symbol for the XOR gate, and this is nothing but A, and this is B. So X equal to what? A XOR B. So if you write in terms of expression AOI logic, so A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, A bar B plus A B bar, or A B bar plus A bar. Okay, so this one I need to realize by using first and or inverse. Okay, so this one and or inverse. So first by using AOI logic. AOI logic. Okay, so how I can represent? So so maybe commutative, no? So that means you can write A bar B plus A B bar, A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so uh, so A bar is A is coming through the inverter, and this is B. Okay, this is B. Okay, so this is nothing but A bar B. Okay, and next, so this one is coming through the inverter. This is A, and B is coming through the inverter. Okay, so this is nothing but A bar, and this one is nothing but B bar, and it is given to the NOR gate. Okay, so X equal to what? X equal to A bar B plus A B bar, A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is nothing but by using the AND or invert logic. Okay, AND or invert logic. Now you need to realize by using NAND logic. Okay, so NAND logic means that procedure is there. Whatever the above logic diagram is there, but based on the steps, you need to convert into all the gates into NAND gate. So one more procedure is, what is X? AB bar plus A bar B. Okay, AB bar plus A bar B. This I am writing as uh, 0 plus AB bar plus A bar B plus 0. So can I write like this? So that means I am adding 0 on both sides. Okay. So this 0 I am writing as A bar. A bar plus AB bar plus A bar B plus B bar. Okay. Since we have the last, no, A into A bar equal to what? 0. Okay. So now what you should do, you can take A from these two, and B from these two. Okay. So if you take A from these two, so what you are getting? A bar plus B bar plus B into A bar plus B bar. Okay. So A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now from the De Morgan's law, you can write this one as AB whole bar. AB whole bar equal to what? A bar plus B bar. Plus this also you can write as AB whole bar. Okay. Now what I am writing, A into AB plus B into AB whole bar. I can write whole bar means from the Boolean expression, A bar whole bar equal to what? The true form itself. Okay. So complement of complement, that is nothing but true form. No? Now apply the De Morgan's law for this one. So what I am getting? A bar A, AB bar dot, okay, whole bar. This complement will be applicable to each and every these two variable, B into AB bar, okay, so whole bar. Okay, so I'm using this expression. Okay, I'm using this expression, and I'm going to realize this one with the NAND gate. Okay, now if you see, so this is these are the two inputs. So these are coming through the, so this is nothing but A, B, and this is nothing but AB bar, AB bar. Now, so now take one more input A. Okay, so one more input A. Okay, it is given to NAND gate. Okay, so what you will get? here one more input is A. So A into AB bar, A into AB bar whole bar. Okay. Now, so this is one more NAND gate. Okay. So one more input is getting here. Okay. So this is A and this is B. Okay. So if you see, this one is B into AB bar whole bar. Okay. So this term is nothing but this one. This term is nothing but this one. Okay. Now what I should do? So again, we give it to one more NAND gate. Okay. So y equal to what? A into AB bar. Okay. So this is y. Okay. I'm using this expression. Okay. So A into AB bar into B into AB bar. AB bar. So here bar is there. B into AB bar whole bar. Okay. So like this, you have to realize the given XOR gate by using the only NAND gates. He will ask, realize the XOR gate by using only the NAND gate. Is it okay? Any doubts in this? Students, give response.
Okay, sir.
Please. Okay. So next, you need to realize this XOR gate by using the NOR gate. Okay. So third bit, that is C, NOR gate, NOR logic. You need to realize by using the NOR logic. So what is X? AB bar plus A bar B. Okay. So this is equal to, you can write 0 plus AB bar plus A bar B plus 0. This is equal to, you can write A bar plus AB bar plus A bar B plus B bar. Okay. So now you can take A common. What you are getting? A bar plus B bar plus B common, A bar plus B bar. Okay. So that means these both are common. So with these both are common means you can take A plus B. You can write A plus B into A bar plus B bar. So you can take A bar plus B bar common. So when you are taking A bar plus B bar common, so you are getting A plus B. Okay. Now, uh, so A plus B into A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay. So, so if you apply the De Morgan's law, A plus B whole bar, okay, plus A bar plus B bar whole bar, again whole bar. Okay. So that means here I written uh, complement of complement, that is equal to what? True form. So that means I written true form in terms of complement form, and wherever this complement is there, I applied the De Morgan's law. So what is my De Morgan's law? AB bar equal to what? A bar plus B bar. Okay. So this complement is applicable to these two terms, and will be converted into R. Okay. So now I'm using this expression, and I'm realizing by using the NOR gate. Okay. So, so if you see, so two inputs A, B. Okay. This is nothing but a NOR gate. Okay. So here what you are getting? A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now take one more input. Okay. It is connected to an inverter represented in NOR gate. Okay. So here you are getting A bar. Here you are getting A bar. Now, again take the B input, and it is connected to an inverter, okay, which is represented in NOR gate. You are getting B bar. Okay, you are getting B bar. Now, what you should do? You should connect these with an NOR gate. The NOR gate. So, if you are connecting these two with an NOR gate, So what you are getting, a bar plus b bar whole bar, a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so this is nothing but a plus b whole bar, a plus b whole bar. Now this input and this are connected to the NOR gate. Okay, so what you are getting, x equal y equal to what, y equal to mm, a plus b whole bar plus a bar plus b bar whole bar again whole bar. You got this expression? Okay. So you can ask in the exam how many NAND gates are required to implement the XOR gate. Okay. So how many NAND gates are required? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 NAND gates are required to implement the XOR gate. How many NAND gates are required to implement the XNOR gate? XNOR gate means, so if you want XNOR gate, you know that y equal to a XOR, complement of XOR is nothing but XNOR. Okay, complement XOR equal to XNOR. So that means when you replace one more NAND gate, you'll get XNOR gate. Okay, so that means how many NAND gates are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 NAND gates are required to realize XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Okay, for XOR gate, 4 NAND gates are required. Okay. Similarly, how many NOR gates? NOR gates are required to implement XOR gate. Okay, XOR gate. How many NOR gates are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are required. Okay. Now, how many NOR gates are required to implement XNOR means one more inverter is replaced. So 6 NOR gates are required. So 6 NOR gates are required to implement XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR gate. So this is how you need to realize the given XOR gate with the NAND gate. Is it okay? Any doubts in this? Students, your response?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here one previous question is there. That is from our previous question paper. You see, realize AB dash. Okay, so realize AB dash. So this fourth bit, A bit. Okay, fourth question A bit. Realize AB dash plus CD dash into E. Okay, plus BC into A plus B using NAND gate. Okay, using NAND gate. Okay, so this is the fourth one. You need to realize fourth bit fourth bit A bit. Okay, fourth question A bit. Draw the multiple level NAND circuit for the following expression. Okay, so you see. So what is my expression? Previous question. AB dash plus CD dash, okay, into E plus BC into A plus B. Okay. So you can write, means you can multiply. You can apply which property? You can apply the distributive property, so that AB dash into E plus CD dash into E plus ABC. Okay, and plus so B into BC. Okay, so AB dash into E plus CD dash into E plus ABC plus BC. Okay, plus BC. Or otherwise directly you can implement this expression by using the gates. Okay, by using the gates also you can implement. Okay, so here if you see AB dash, so AB dash means, so so this is nothing but this is A and this is B. So B is coming through the inverter and this is connected with the AND gate. Okay, and next CD dash, C, C, and D is coming through the inverter, C, D. Okay, so it is connected with the AND gate. Okay, now BC and A plus B. Okay, so here, so here you can say this is BC, BC, and this is A plus B, A plus B. A plus B is connected with a OR gate, A plus B. Okay, A plus B. So again, here one more input is there, that is E, no? So one more input is there. Okay, E. So here these are connected with an OR gate, NOR gate. Again, this input E is there, that is connected to here uh, with AND gate. Okay, AND gate. Again, here BC and A plus B are connected with an AND gate, an AND gate. Okay. Again, next these two outputs are connected with an OR gate. These two outputs are connected with an OR gate. With an OR gate. Okay. Now what you should do? You have to convert the given expression with the NAND realization. So NAND realization means what? So you have to. So here itself I am saying, I am doing. You have to replace wherever you have the AND gate, you have to replace the bubble at the output side, and wherever you have the OR gate, you have to replace the bubble at the input side. Okay, so here bubble at the output input side, and bubble at the output side, bubble at the output side, AND gate, and bubble at the input side. Okay, so bubble at the input side. Next, what you should do here? So anyway, two bubbles are there. No need to add the inverter. Here one bubble is there. So what you should do? You should add the inverter. Okay. So here itself I am adding the inverter. Here itself I am adding the inverter, and here also two bubbles are there. Two bubbles are there. No need to add the inverter. Okay. Now what you should do? So convert bubbled OR with NAND and inverters with. So here I'm drawing. So if you see, so this is an inverter. Okay, and this is an AND gate. And this is nothing but AB. Okay, and next and C, NAND gate, and this is more NAND gate. Convert bubbled OR gate with the NAND gate. Okay, now here this is nothing but C, D, and E is coming directly. Okay, E is coming directly. So I think remaining thing you can do. Okay, so that means wherever you have the bubbled OR gate, convert it into NAND gate, and convert the inverter with this two inputs tied together with the NAND gate. Okay, NAND inverter, and convert the bubbled OR gate with the NAND gate, and let it be NAND gate will be the same thing. Okay, So all the gates should be in the NAND gate. Okay. There is some technical issue.
Sir?